Right, so here it is, gas and water inlet, complete unit. I'm gonna open there, change the diaphragm and the plunger, and yeah, get all of that sorted. These screws are very difficult, so WD-40 and give them a little knock. Oh, completely buggered. Should be a slight little hole in the diaphragm as well because of that pin pushing it through. Changing diaphragm and that plunger. Okay, I'm gonna take this out just to have a look, see if everything's good. Maybe just clean it up and make sure the spring's nice and everything else is nice and clean. Muck in there. New plunger. It's the whole diaphragm. Throw away. Here's a new one. Put it in. It's lined up nicely. Magpas. Hiyo. And hiyo. Wait, look at Toiga.